What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How-To. Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace a roof tile. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. Alright guys, so to replace the roof tile is actually pretty simple. Do that before you get any kind of water damage. So we've got here a broken roof tile, and if we try and peel this one here back, you can see there's a gap right there. During heavy rain, that's going to cause us a problem which we've already got on the other side. So this is an overlapping system. You can see here we've got some ridges. This sits on the bottom, that one there sits over the top, and it overlaps. So to remove this broken roof tile here, we want to remove the tiles above it. So you can slide it up or you can kick them with your boot. I haven't got my boots today, but you can see what I mean. So we just slide those ones there up, take out the broken roof tile. This side here sits over the top, this side here is underneath, so you can lift up this side, slide it out, replace it with our new roof tile. Now this roof here is going to be restored anyway, so the color's not an issue. To put back the other tiles behind it, lift up and just slide them down. Might get to a point right there where it's a little bit tough to pull down. Just give it a bit of a head start, and you can see there it just knocks over the top of that batten. Line them all up and we're ready to go. So we'll replace the other side as well. So this tile here is the one that's caused most of the problem. I'll show you guys, hopefully we'll be able to see inside. Move those tiles out of the way. And we're going to remove this one here. Now this ceiling here was damaged the last time I was here. And if you have a look inside, you can see there the ceiling's actually missing because it's completely dropped on the floor. So replace that roof tile, line it up, and then we're going to pull down the back ones behind it. That one is a little bit tight, so take the weight off on the left hand side, start again, line it up, and that one there is now replaced, ready to be repainted. Hopefully this video is going to help you guys out, get you out of trouble and prevent any kind of roof leaks. Always a good idea to get up on your roof, make sure you haven't got any cracked roof tiles. As always guys, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How-To.